Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing good. It's Jacob Crypobury here again. Just got home, still in my bike gear. Like, I was that eager to make a video for you guys today because I wanted to look at Solana. Solana is a really cool infrastructure project, and we know how big the explosion was for this particular project this time last year. So we're going to look at Solana, a bit of juicy news, and look at the price action with this particular coin. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash subscribe so you don't miss out on those juicy gains. Hop into the Discord down below. It's a really nice community over here, so join that Discord, guys, and yeah, let's crack on with the video. So Solana total value and price dropped 50+% from the all-time high, but gaming dApps could turn the tables for this ecosystem. Sol price is down 50% year to date, and data shows that its decentralized app use is fading out, but there are a few reasons to remain hopeful. Keyword is hopeful, so that just shows that there's no real true reason to be bullish. It's just, you know, being hopeful. You know, we can be hopeful about loads of things, you know. 2022 has not been a good start for cryptocurrencies. To date, the total market cap has dropped by 21% to 1.77 trillion. So yeah, we have seen a massive wipeout across the whole of the crypto space. We all called for this massive alt season, but it just didn't happen. We can see the dApp use is also on the decline, which means lots of total value locked, lots of decentralized finance and DeFi, even play to earn games. All of this staking liquidity is being withdrawn, it's being taken out. So basically, on the bright side here, as we can see, the American arm of the global crypto derivative, the spot exchange FTX, announced a new blockchain gaming unit. It is also worth noting that Solana Ventures partnered with FTX and Lightspeed Venture on November 5 to launch a $100 million fund dedicated to the sector. So it looks like really you can use dApp metrics to see what's going to happen with Solana and lots of these infrastructure projects. So Adobe's Behance add support for Solana NFTs. This is another nice bullish thing to look at. So the integration is available for Behance creators with Phantom wallets, and the feature was powered by the Quick Node. Behance, the creative showcase platform owned by Adobe, announced on Monday that users can now connect their Phantom wallet to their Behance accounts and showcase Solana non-fungible tokens on their profiles. So this is pretty good. Phantom is a Solana wallet built for decentralized finance or DeFi applications as well as NFTs. I suppose this is nice. Alan tweeted that the Solana is a proof of stake chain that addresses these concerns, pointing out a single transaction on Solana uses as much energy as a Google search and costs a fraction of the penny. So this is, I suppose, kind of bullish in some sense for Solana. Let's also have a look at the Fear and Greed Index today. We're sitting at 21, so we're still pretty fearful. We've got lots of FUD being spread around, and people are really just, you know, if you look at the emotional cycle of a market right now, it looks like people are just kind of holding on and hoping for the best. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. Let's look at Solana today. $82.20. It sounds so weird to say that because the all-time high was so much higher, with a market cap of 26 billion. I mean, that's pretty insane still. Rank 8 as well. So yeah, let's check it out. If I go to the daily time frame, we can see two real key areas. I mean, this was a good area for reaccumulation when we lost the support here back in 2021 September, and also to accumulate here back in December, we made a nice impulse. We lost this reaccumulation box, then we capitulated, symmetrical triangle into this head and shoulders. Now what I'm seeing is we've got a key amount of support between $64 and $74, as you can see just here. And if we do come down to this sort of price level and retest that $66 support zone, that in my opinion is a really nice key reaccumulation zone for Solana. If we pull up our Fibonacci extension as well, you can see that's at that 0.786 Fibonacci undervaluation reaccumulation zone, which could effectively be very good. On the daily time frame, I mean, it looks pretty messy really, but we just had a bearish crossover on the MACD, and we've had literally 7 days worth of red candles in this descending triangle. So hopefully we can get a bounce. The relative strength index is not looking oversold either, so it is still possible to come down to these lower levels, and I think anywhere between $64 and $74 is a really nice undervaluation zone. So we're undervalued on the sense of the macro bull market. trend using our Fibonacci retracement, we are at that 0.786. So that's one thing to consider for this particular project. We're struggling to put through a higher high. As you can see, you know, this is one of the highs. This is another high here where we had the head and shoulders, bearish reversal, and it just looks like it's really struggling to break out. Even on this hourly time frame, we can see a double bottom attempt to get a bullish breakout, but it just didn't happen. We just lost the resistance. We got rejected at the resistance and we're coming back down. So what I think can happen for Solana over the next few days is that we could capitulate further, maybe back down to this particular level over here at around the bottom of the channel, around $76. And I think that's one of our key support zones over here because of this particular wick on the 24th of February. But I do think if we do suddenly get a reversal here and start putting through some higher highs, we can come back up soon and retest the $100 zone. It does sound a bit crazy right now to be able to do that, but we've got a lot of resistance over this $100 level, as you can see right there. So this would be nice to get a bounce here at this particular level on the 4-hour time frame. We were oversold, and every time we're oversold so far, we usually get a bounce. You see a bounce there, we've got a bounce there, a bounce there, oversold. So will we get this bounce to the upside for Solana? That is what we're wondering. Big descending channel, kind of falling wedge. Usually you do get a nice break back to the upside, but let's wait and see what happens, guys. So Solana, really good project. The downtrend continues. The FUD continues. I mean, one day it's bullish, one day it's bearish. It's like, come on. Got two people pulling my, my right arm and two people pulling my left arm. Which way does it want to go? It's starting to feel quite bearish, but there is a world war crisis on the go. So if you like the channel, guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Just want to say massive thanks to the patrons, Jordan, Dasnay, Ale, Al, Cara, Lion Quinn, thanks for supporting the channel. If you want to be a patron, it's just the price of a coffee. You're going to get premium Discourse access. You're going to get one-on-one messaging. You're going to get access to giveaways with a higher chance to win. And also you'll receive this ebook, which will help transform your cryptocurrency journey, teach you charting, market cycle understanding, capital allocation, and much, much more. So if you want to be a patron, find it down in the link below. Make sure you subscribe and see you soon, guys.